Troops, good evening. Dito ako ngayon sa Prince Supermart. Ipapakita ko sa inyo different kinds of Unilever Company merch, Rexona body spray, and Rexona dew powder for underarm and foot powder. Ito po sila. Meron tayong Men Rexona Motion Sense Invisible Dry Black and White 48 hours anti-perspirant, anti-white marks, yellow stains, and sweet. 150 ml po siya. You can buy it from any grocery stores o kahit small stores, mga malls, grocery stores. Meron din tayong Men Rexona Motion Sense Natural Fresh Lime Cool 48 hours, anti-stain, anti-perspirant, $150 ml. Next, meron din tayong Rexona dew powder for underarm and foot perspirant cool. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Rexona dew powder for underarm and foot peppermint cool, non-darkening, natural odor protection, non-stain. Unilever po yan, 80 grams. Available po yan sa mga grocery stores, mga malls, grocery stores. Ginawa ko itong video na to para alam nyo kung ano ng mga Unilever Company merch. Yung Rexona for underarm, foot, and body spray ay isa lang po yan sa mga Unilever Company merch. Next, meron din tayong Rexona dew powder for underarm and foot aloe salt, natural odor protection. Unilever po yan, 80 grams. Yan ang mga Rexona dew powder for underarm and foot and body spray. That's it for today's Unilever Company merch videos. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merch videos. Respect. Always rise. Never give up. God bless us all, always. Thank you for watching.